Here we have a 1973 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12 in excellent condition. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. These are your margins here. I like to set them at the beginning and the end of the page. You just move them with your thumb like that. And I'll set it like that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin and you hit this line space. It gets you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single. If you want double, you just flip the switch back and it'll skip 2. If you want triple, it'll skip 3. Put it back on single and go to the next line. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, you just flip this switch down here and it'll hit the bottom portion of the ribbon for the next line. Very nice typing machine, one of my favorites. These are made for daily typing, and this typewriter will last forever if you take care of it. Very nice condition, very smooth, feels good. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip the switch here on the right, flip that forward, and pull right out. Also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a backspace on the top left here. That works good. It's got a power space on this model. Just a cool function. I don't know who would use that, but it works good. It's also got a tab. This is your tab function. So right now there shouldn't be any tabs set. So we'll set a tab by hitting the set button and it'll stop at that spot. And you can set as many as you want on this model. To clear it, you hit the clear button and now it shouldn't have any. A lot of people like to set a tab in the middle just in case they accidentally hit that tab button. It doesn't jam all the way to the end, giving wear and tear on your machine. On your left side, you have a touch control that loads a spring on the keys. The higher the tension. When you hit the keys, the lower the tension. This one has a special function where you can replace these two top keys that are black caps. Right now it's a 1 and an exclamation point and a plus and an equal sign on this side. So what happens is you go into your keys and you can get a replacement. This comes off and you can put another one on each side. So you got two opportunities to replace those two with some different symbols, different keys. Inside here you got your spools. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on this left side, so it's pulling to the right clockwise. And if you want to switch that direction, there's a switch behind this left spool here, and you just push that back and it'll start pulling counterclockwise to the left. That works good. We're going to switch that back to the right side. Make sure it's pulling to the right because all the brand new ribbon is on the left. It's got a carriage release lever on each side here. And you want to be careful when you're putting it back in the case with these because they'll break. They're made out of plastic. Kind of a poor design, but they're famous for having those. They're comfortable to use. It's got a locking mechanism here, so if you push that up, it'll only allow you to get to the middle of the platen, and that's supposed to help protect it when it's in its case. And to clear that, you just push that carriage to the right a little bit. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.